Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to request account credentials to your client in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then you can go to your left side menu and then click the all apps here to open all of your available apps and then go to accounting section and go to bank transaction. You can click on it and then you will see all of your bank transaction with your checking balance and saving balance, and all of the transaction histories. And then in order to request account credential to your client, you can go to the link account here, click the drop down here, and then as you can see, there is option to request account credential. Click on it. And then the pop-up will appear and you can, send an email to your clients. So you can, choose the client's email from your QuickBooks. And then you can add the subject. Maybe you want to add the financial institution name. Then you can add the message here if you need more information. And as you can see, a QuickBooks sign-in link will be sent with this email. And after that, you can just click send and next, and it will be sent to your client's email. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.